Along kaprek school college along fresher social meet kapadopon ason taksi patumi difu government college along sitame fresher social meet ajaime kapadopon patumi pai ni pai thom ke praisi thelangarni along kaprek school college along fresher social meet kapadopon ason taksi difu government college along sitame fresher social meet kapadopon labangso fresher meet along chief guest Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council Education EM Richard Tokbi, Guest of Honor Dr. Atur Kiri, Assam University Difu Campus Faculty of Geography Department, Lapen Special Guest Lumbajong MSc Joni Timung, Nominated MSc Pengpika Rengma Tumapan, Kachopa Tengpen Chetongdu. Education EM Richard Tokbi Pen Kaningje Pon Atengke, Aprang Pen Langdam Puloti, Difu Government College Along, Kacharli Ahin Asap Su Kapaprang Pon Jang Teklong. Ate kedam tang aning kan anke non ason students teachers lecturers professor principal apen non teaching staff atum pen fresher meet along aning karong kachipi chetong sarpuke jum heklang bonta pini neli ladak ke wang pen ke theklong ke doan students teachers staff ke doan chetong long rapet ke mesen ang theklu lapen nangli neli ilitum akimang quality education atomon ke pajapku kabor I along lata isi akeng kam aprang kedam ang theklu DJCS US General Secretary Tiriming Tipen Kaningje Ponke kedam tang aning kan ke admission apor ahurlo pulote dharna kachesong lahai atomon si Difu Government College along pajaplu bonta Richard Tobi Education EM anghor enlo pupen non nilitum lapuson akisung non amat ave lapen overall college building infrastructure whitewashing college auditorium hall renovation asa ke claim pon japan iam cecak tekang pusi nang pachinidun
Jingmai pon bom lo suppose notice aku thang itu nang pilo de school result immediate 0 imi thang asuma ne ke jong si fail de ching check on next bang ke uri pa minon po uchi thanu na son si school along tame isi suppose notice ke pale lo je report si school along result immediate no so school recently apan bang ji fan bang bori nang ji po abang ke ada itu doko apen hitung ta dai school chen lo la sila high school kang habji apan ukali bon sami reconsider ta fan bang hitung jate je athe difu Karbi Anglong ke kapega district song kali amalgamation mate merger uni athe 10 15 20 kilometers itu student atu bang drop out na nge lage pana itu pana kisung ko oposin itu chunung ri school bang badu besa result bang mission theke pan bang
Thank you, sir. Nanglutum la media korte tumhan ek tumhan darnelitum college long ke bang para fransi nanglutum han churu ko jere pini nelitum da golf college long annual freshers meet la freshers tumhan program bi la freshers meet la TDC first year pen HS first year tumhan nelitum la da aluhi sarpu la chief guest nelitum la Richard Tokbi sir education EM in charge of Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council EM Sarpanch Hanglo lapen guest of honor ke Dr. Atur Kiri Assam University Difu Campus long faculty of geography department lapen special guest ke Sir Joni Timung MEC la Lumbajong Karbi Anglong Autonomous Council lapen Phaiping Rengma MEC alang litum phansi special guest e chapapon litum ladak alang student string around 5000 doi hai lapen teachers puta pudam lo bote ini to 15 ta department do la city na department lo setame non just recently la non pe contractual setame hedi people no lo permanent kali la hai seta contractual ke people no lo mane total string bang lage department wise tumbang si chichimi ji la bang li tumla data ave hai la total string of faculties bang non akimi department bagawe hai ke do tang setame ke dam tang la penana nimkan ke khuli dunu ne for example la khala pasal apa isi department do mate la dam department hai tour ke dam tourism department ta aprang bana ke do tang setame penana nimkan ke lagi hap check lo setame non bang ko principal madam pen Sing vice ya kalau so department itu mereka pangku pan fancy nilai kemahin dan keboritan lo lah cunda positioning lah tourism. Kita la pining nilai tu mah hut sila improve on long lo la chemistry building bang ka Sitami aku kedotang la existing science building ta a condition ave pin lo lahai poche tami positive si long hai sartom ben nili tum chingba long lo amasi progress bom lo busi ko basi aku nili tum ning khe thulo mane problem ten lahai side anta chunpon bu busi nili tum ning cheba the bane ko
Difu government
nili dak DGCSUS Golf College lo general secretary